Hey, hi guys. So Jitendra again from BNLF Indie Blogger Meetup, and I'm with two guys right now. Karan is the first time you are seeing him live in the video right now. His face, he looks like Kailash Kher, and Iftikhar, you know him from Ifti Group. So first, Karan, please introduce yourself to my audience, man.
I'm Karan Vyas. I'm 22 years old and I do server optimization, WordPress theme customization, and backend work.
So you do all this kind of optimization server, and how did you learn all these things, man?
So I learned online from myself and Linda.com.
Linda.com. Okay, man. So we again with Ifti, man. Ifti, so please just share your journey. That how did you get started in blogging world, man?
Yeah, hi Jiten. First of all, thanks for you
Yeah.
to giving me this such opportunity. Okay, so myself Iftikhar Ahmed and I'm still a student doing computer science engineering and I'm in third year. So coming to this blogging thing, well, I started this when I was in first year. So I got,
So you started your blogging in first year of engineering.
that's correct, 2014, yeah. So I got this first domain, iftiseo.com, where I started posting articles about blogging and SEO. So by learning, with learning, I started posting articles also. So it was like a process of posting, sharing, and learning. So all continuously, I was doing all these things.
How did you get this idea of Ifti SEO? What drives attention to this word? Don't you think about this any other words for domains?
I was very much confused about this getting the name of my domain. So, one friend of mine, he was from Saudi Arabia, where I was living before, in 10th standard, yeah. So he used to call me Ifti, and so this in this way my nickname was Ifti, and yeah, and my niche was SEO. I was quite interested in this SEO. So what I did was I just merged up these two words, Ifti SEO, and I just bought the domain. Now it's quite popular. Initially I also was feeling odd with this name, but now it's cool.
So now you are having a group, Ifti SEO group also, right? Yeah.
Premium Tricks by Ifti SEO, where like we have around 600 members, and everyone tries to share.
Very popular on Facebook.
Very popular group, and everyone shares new tips and tricks regarding SEO and blogging. Yeah.
So I gonna ask you one more question is that how did you get started day in your life? So what the basic things you do when you wake up, you check your phone, you check your emails, what kind of stuff you do?
Yeah. Okay. So firstly, I don't check up my Facebook in the morning. I check up the emails first, then my WhatsApp.
Paid post.
Yeah, paid post. Yeah. That makes my day go good. Yeah.
And PayPal payments.
Yeah, PayPal payment sometimes. Most of the times it's like direct. Yeah.
Then he forward me sponsor post.
Yeah, I will forward
Then
him also, and I'll be messaging him about the deals we get overnight, and I will be also checking my snapshots. I mean the real-time screens and all those. Yeah. Of my
motivate
blogs.
others.
Yeah.
Yes,
And
to
to
motivate.
discuss about the next plans of the events and all.
Because you're also in college right now, so it is very difficult to be a blogger. Because when I was in my college days, guys, I just wasted my 4 years of engineering, man. I didn't learn anything. I was not aware of this blogging and all this time. So how did you get this idea of SEO and blogging? Do you think, how did you get, you were Googling something or did you saw some blogger from India that to get inspired into blogging?
No, see, what I was doing was I wanted to do something online. Yeah. So I searched up many things. I searched for make money online niches also. I went for freelancing. I went for Fiverr. And then I found this SEO thing. And this was quite an interesting thing for me. So I just learned more about it. I read some blogs, Harsh Agarwal's Shout Me Loud. Then I followed Neil Patel also. And now,
Did you follow my blog?
yeah, I follow your blog. I watch every interview that you take. Yeah. So I started learning all these things, and then I just selected SEO as my niche, and then it all started. And yeah, it's very difficult to manage all this along with studies. Yeah. So it's going cool so far.
Going cool so far. Yeah. And Karan, how do you handle your job, this of server optimization, all these things?
Actually, I have completed my electronic and communication engineering. I'm currently doing full-time blogging and this. So
He passed. He completed his engineering. So right now he's doing completely full-time blogging and internet lifestyle and all those.
So you are happy with your life right now?
yes, of course, because I know my mates from college are getting very low salary. So
Yeah.
I'm getting very, very much from them.
From there, so you enjoying your life as a blogger right now?
Yes, of course.
So do you enjoy your life as a blogger or it's a very stress? Because see, as I'm a blogger, I work around daily 16 hours I think you also work around. Like
Yeah, but my work time depends along with my studies also. So it's like doing both things simultaneously sometimes. So when on college days, it's like after I reach home till like midnight or later 2 3 a.m. and till then I work and that's it. So in this way, the time my time is like goes on.
So you manage that. So how do you stay away from controversies in social media? So what tips you want to give to the newbies who are just into the controversy or do just useless things? So any tips for them? Please.
See, just see, everything is out there for free. Everything, each and everything. There are no secrets. If you just ask me anything, I will just reveal everything. So don't fall into traps and all, and just follow the good guys, and they'll be always ready to help you. Like this Jitendra Baswani, who is always there for you. Read his blog, you will find everything. And so it's like very simple. And on social media, just make sure to make your profile active. That helps a lot. Yeah, and not only Facebook. Go for other media.
Twitter,
Yeah,
Instagram,
Twitter
all
and LinkedIn also. Yeah.
So because I have seen that many of the bloggers are just getting into controversies and they just do bullshit things. So how they can be away from all this stuff? Any tips for them?
See, why they fell into this thing are because of greed. So yeah, if you are thinking of coming into online, just don't go for this thinking that you will be making money in like 1 month or so. It takes a hell lot of time.
Time for making money.
Yeah, it took like around 6 months for me to.
Same here.
Yeah, so it takes a time
It
and
requires patience.
yeah, and be honest also. Be honest with your readers. Be honest with yourself also, because many times you will start making money with like doing black hat stuffs, but there will be a day when you will also feel like why am I doing it correct, or I may be like doing some wrong stuff
So
also.
long-term blogs are fruitful than these black hat blogs.
Yeah,
Of course, long terms are very better.
Yeah, and we are also like we have started many long-term blogs. So long-term blogging is always
We have
preferable.
also
Yeah.
multimedia site, eCloud Times,
Yeah,
new
Cloud Times, FTSO, he runs his own website, iTech Column, and many more websites. Like so,
those are
yeah.
So how is your experience at bnlf.com right now?
See, it's still early. We've just
We
completed
are
3
still-
sessions. Yeah.
Yes.
So it's good. Christopher Tappe
so far
was
it's,
very good. Yeah.
Very good.
And you met Zev Bullas, man.
Yeah. He's an awesome guy, and I'll be like, I won't be missing his session tomorrow, and yeah, you will be taking his interview also, and I'll
Yeah.
be present because I want to meet with him once again. Yeah. So he's a good guy.
Yeah. So I just want to ask you one curious question: that how did your family reacted when you decided that you want to enter into blogging and do all this stuff? Did they force you that Iftikhar, after completing engineering, please do the job, secure a job?
Well, they are still are into 50-50 that whether I will be doing blogging or whether I may go into studies. And yeah, he will be helping me in that case. He will be talking to my parents and all for that.
So
So
your parents don't support this entrepreneurship.
they support, but still like I have to show a little more to them before.
They are
Yeah.
not 100% sure.
Yeah. And
But
So-
still, I think Iftikhar, you are making good money because you're working very hard on your niches and all these things. But why they think that in job you will get more money? In job you cannot get more money, man. The income you are making is your yearly income in job, man. So you can easily make 3 to 4 lakhs in a month instead of doing a job for 3 to 4 lakhs a year, man.
yeah, so we can just call that Indian psychology that's going on from years.
This society pressure,
Not society, just the psychology.
the family pressure.
Yeah, you can call that also. But I'll be doing blogging. I am sure about it.
So you will be doing blogging and you.
Internet marketing and all those online stuffs.
So you want to have your own startup also?
Yeah, I plan to have some. I have some of my friends out there in Bhopal also who are into this startup thing. So I may join them also for some startups. Yeah, so I will not backing up for these things.
So I think that we should end this interview here. It might go long, and I think Karan will get bored. I'm just kidding. So I hope Iftikhar you have enjoyed this interview and you are having a great time here at BNLF, guys.
Yeah, it's an awesome experience being here in BNLF along with other bloggers like Jeff Bolas especially and other authors also and Christoph also. So it's a good day so far, and I'll be coming tomorrow also. And yeah, we'll be enjoying a lot. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
Karan, how's your experience here, man?
I'm just enjoying this new place. Yeah.
You still thinking here about server optimization?
No, I'm not thinking about that.
He optimized everything properly. Before coming, he just set up everything on autopilot and all those.
Autopilot thing, yeah?
Yeah, autopilot.
Okay, so thank you guys for having this interview. And Iftikhar, I hope this newbies, readers, experienced blogger learn from you, man. You are doing amazing job, man. You are doing amazing. Thank you for this interview.
Yeah, thank you, Jitendra.
Thank you.